Does the way I wear my hair make me a better person?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Simply Me D. Today's video is gonna be real quick. I saw a video of a Caucasian lady doing a fishtail, yeah, I guess it's called a fishtail ponytail. I don't know, but fishtail braid. So I want to try that for my hair since I have it straight before I curl it. Not before I curl it, but before I wash it. So all I'm gonna do is, I don't want to party and comb it too much because it's time for me to wash it and I have some flakes. So I'm gonna just leave the part where it is. I don't think I'm gonna worry about laying down my edges. I want it kind of, how I saw hers was kind of messy, but it was cute. It was kind of careless. Seemed like she didn't try too hard, but she was trying. So that's what we're gonna do today. All right, so make sure your hair is detangled. And then I'm gonna take two sections. I'm gonna try to get them as even as possible. Okay, so where I have the two sections, I'm gonna take a piece from the outside of this braid and bring it to the opposite braid. And then do the same to the other side. But hold it tight or it'll fall loose, fall apart. Can't see what this looks like. What I'm trying to make sure I do is leave a finger on the inside to keep it separated, to keep both tails separated. I need to do this side now. Is it turning out right, y'all? I can't see. Is it me or is it starting to look like a regular ponytail now? Did I start doing something wrong? Yeah, I think it's right. kind of having a hard time keeping my hands from doing what they usually do. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop now. But before you stop, you're supposed to pull it. I can't see. You're supposed to kind of pull it loose. But I feel like if I loosen it, the hair might fall out even more. So I'm gonna put a rubber band at the end. So what y'all think? I think it's cute. Like easy, fun going hairstyle. But that's it, y'all. I just want to show y'all that real quick. I'll see y'all next time. Y'all please take care of yourself. This corona getting worse. Wear y'all masks, wash y'all hands, and get back to the house. Bye, y'all.